Hello friends, good evening. So welcome to a new video, and today is December 12th, and we are going to look into what has happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So this is a learning video, and if you're trying to see what has happened in market and why it has happened, you can definitely watch this video. So this will be an experience for you tomorrow. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Before that, I just need to mention that please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe, like my video if you like it. If you have any questions, put it in the comment box, and also try to share it with as many people as you can. Okay, so making this video is a little bit stressful. I need to analyze many factors, and after that only I can try to make a video. Then I have to edit it and then upload it. So there are a lot of time that I'm putting into this particular video. So please try to support me with likes and comments, and also subscribe to my channel, share to your friends. Okay, so let's jump into Nifty chart today. So here I'm just going to enter into 15 minutes time frame so that you can have a clear picture. So as per my yesterday's video, I marked so many levels for you, and one of the levels will be the trend line, the blue color trend line that I mentioned yesterday. And I told you that this can be taken as a very important reference line, and Nifty has taken at multiple places a very good support. This line has taken as a very good support. Okay, and today you can see Nifty has taken very good support over this area. So let's jump back to a 5 minutes chart so that you can have a very clear picture of what has happened in Nifty. See here, if you look carefully, there is not even a single candle which closed below this trend line, and Nifty was beautifully respecting this particular trend line, and this trend line has become a very good reference level for me to enter into some of the scalping trade. So the first scalping trade I entered was somewhere around here, and the second scalping was here, and the third scalping actually after breaking this level I took another trade targeting this level. So there are three scalping, and here there is a one more scalping trade I have taken, and after this is the fourth one. So there are a lot of trades that I have taken today, and I will explain to you one by one. Okay, so this is what happened yesterday. I marked 18,247. Okay, so this is the first line that I marked in yesterday's Nifty. So those which is 18,250, and I have already mentioned in video that if Nifty is taking support from this particular level, you can expect a big uptrend. So here I mentioned that 18,247 or 250 will be an important support line, and Nifty has taken, if Nifty is taking support at this line, you can see a momentum upwards, and it can reach up till 18,400 350 levels. Okay, this is what I mentioned in yesterday's video, and Nifty has achieved that level. This is what I'm telling you. If anybody has watched my video yesterday, they would have entered into this trade. Also they have made good profits. Okay, so Nifty opened in a gap down today. It was a little bit unexpected. I was expecting a flat or maybe a small gap up, and Nifty has given a big big red candle, so nobody will be able to participate in this particular downtrend because it all happened in the first 20 minutes, and people were confused because there was a support line here. Nifty can take support and go back. There was a confusion, so nobody entered. And again, if you see, this is the other support level where Nifty can take and go back. It did not happen. It did not even given a proper retracement also. It was straight red candles which is happening in Nifty, and after that it has exactly touched. See, the wick has touched the trend line which I drew yesterday, and this trend line was respected, and after that Nifty consolidated in the first half of today. Okay, until 12 p.m. Nifty did not break out from this area. It was going up and down in this particular zone. So the Nifty was trying to consolidate, trying to eat most of the premium of buyers. And from here at 12 p.m. Nifty has gone up. It broke 18,240 250 level, and again it took a retracement here, and after that Nifty has gone up till 18,400, and it closed at 18,380 somewhere in this level. Okay, so this is what happened in Nifty, and all the lines that I have marked has acted accordingly. So whatever I mentioned in yesterday's video was successfully achieved. So anybody, if you have not watched that video, please try to watch it. It can give you more experience. So the things that I explained can give you ideas on how to trade in market. Okay, so this is what happened in Nifty. Okay, so what happened in Bank Nifty is that I just marked some important levels in Bank Nifty also. So here you can see that was the area where I said there was a no trade zone. But Bank Nifty opened in that particular zone. It went outside without a retracement. It went back downside, and actually Bank Nifty was trying to trap people. So it was not giving a proper retracement at any points, and it was a little bit confusing actually. So I did not enter a trade in Bank Nifty. Okay, because Bank Nifty was showing a very comparatively, because Nifty was reacting with a very high candles, but Bank Nifty was not that much volatile today. So I was not entering a trade in Bank Nifty. Okay, so let's get back to Nifty. And in my Telegram channel, see, I just want to inform you something else, because I also opened a Telegram channel where I update most of the important updates in market, in live market. So whatever happened, like this is the video I have posted yesterday. So if you do not have the link for this particular Telegram channel, it is in my description, in this video description. You can go there, join the channel, and try to get informations in live market. Okay, so first thing I have mentioned, which was at 9:56 a.m. Okay, here I mentioned that it just came and touched the trend line. Chances of consolidation and upside move are expected from here. Keep an eye on 18,250 level. So this is the 18,250 level, the yellow line. And Nifty has touched this level, which is the trend line that I mentioned, on a small wick. It's actually it came out. It did not close below this line, but it came down, touched this support line, and it is trying to consolidate. So seeing this candle, I just mentioned that it can consolidate over here, because I was not willing to believe that it will break this trend line. Okay, at least today. So this is what I mentioned in my screenshot. And the second note is there is a bearish force in the market as per the IO data. Okay, so if you check the IO chart, it was showing bearish momentum, and Nifty is taking support at this particular trend line that I mentioned. So I mentioned that if it is not sustaining, if this particular support is not sustaining for the next 15 minutes or next few minutes, you can expect a fall until 18,150 or 100. And the fact is that this trend line was not broken. So Nifty did not go until that level. So this is what I mentioned here. Okay, so again there is a screenshot that I mentioned. See, again there was a candle. After that wick, there was a red candle, and again after that there was a green candle. So it's exactly respecting this particular trend line. This is what I try to mention to you. So Nifty still respecting this trend line, but what is the but? See, this is what I was talking about. Okay, so this is the option chain chart. So here what we can see is we have a very good resistance on the call side. There are a lot of open contracts, active open contracts, and it is trying to push the market downside. And this is a support line. So in support line, this comparatively the support is very less, but the resistance is very high. And because of that, we can see bearish momentum. The signal was in my Excel sheet, it is showing bearish momentum, but market was consolidating. So what market is trying to say is that market is not willing to break that trend line today. It is maximum trying. It's actually the game of operators. Actually, it is not trying to break that level, even though we have a very good bearish signals in the IO chart, but the market did not go down. Okay, so IO chart high resistance is building up. So this is what I mentioned at 10:13 a.m. After that, I mentioned beware, because Bank Nifty is trying to decide to fall or maintain at this level. There can't be a big momentum upwards now in first half at least. So this is what I mentioned at 10:14. I mentioned this note. Okay, then again I just took a screenshot. So here there is a pattern growing. Okay, Nifty is making a pattern. This is what descending triangle pattern. Okay, according to this pattern, this is an indication that this is a chart pattern where we can take this as an indication saying that Nifty is trying to have a trend change. Okay, it is trying to reverse from this particular point, but unless and until it is broken, these lines are broken, we cannot confirm it. Okay, so next two pictures we'll see, we will see how market is going in the next 2 3 pictures. Okay, so I just made this as a training section. So here in 15 minutes time frame, you can see Nifty is forming a small candle pattern. This is engulfing pattern, actually the mother child candle. So here you can see that this is also an indication of a trend reversal, and here it is showing an engulfing pattern. This is saying that there can be a trend reversal from here. Either it will go down, or maybe if it is crossing this level, this candlestick level, it can go upside. But we are waiting for a confirmed information or a confirmed signal to enter into a trade. See here again, I just mentioned forming a descending triangle at the same time in 1 minute's time chart. This is the 1 minute time chart that I have mentioned, and here we can see there is a descending triangle forming. Okay, and after that, what I said. So the market is trying to go for a upside momentum, but in oil chart, I'm still getting increasing resistance, and the same level in support is maintained, but still there is increasing resistance. So also you can see the EMA lines are clustering together in picture 2. This is the picture 2. You can see here the EMA lines are clustering. It's grouping together. So that means there will be a momentum either upside or downside. It can happen. Okay, so let's see what is the next. At 10:38 a.m. I updated a picture of Nifty. Okay, so as per Nifty, as per yesterday's analysis, I was thinking if Nifty is above this red line, which is 19,262, if it is going for a gap up, I will go for a call option with SL trailing. Okay, if it is downside this line, I will go for a put option with trailing SL. But what happened is it opened gap down, and it was giving three red candles, and after that there was a very less momentum in Nifty. Okay, so I was not about to enter into a trade. Maybe there is a chance for a zero to hero only if it reaches this particular 19,068 level. If it is touching and taking support, this line is taking support, I will take a zero to hero trade in Nifty. But I did not update in the Telegram, Telegram channel, because once I update it, maybe people will go and start buying. So I don't want that, because they will end up in loss unless there is a clear confirmation. So what I mentioned here is Nifty not moving. We can look for a zero to hero trade after 2 p.m. After 2 p.m. Okay, I was expecting this line to be met after 2 p.m. But before that, it has met. I'll just come into it in later notes. See here. Here before it was a descending triangle, and it changed to a symmetric triangle. So Nifty is trying to build up another signal, another chart pattern. So if this line is broken upside, we can expect a uptrend of 18,248, or if it is broken down, I will expect this trend line again. It will go and touch this trend line. So in this case, I was expecting to take a trade here. Okay, so this is updated at 10:40 a.m. today. See here what happened exactly. There was a symmetric triangle. It broke up actually. It went up and touched this line, and again it came down all the way and touched the uh, you know the trend line, the blue trend line. Again, it is the third time. One, two, three. Third time it touched and reversed from here. And I took a scalping trading from this particular point, expecting price can go up till 18,250. So let's see how beautifully this trend line is serving us. See, it is taking support at 1, 2, 3 levels. So this trend line is one of the important trend line that we can expect in today's market. We can put that as a very good reference. Okay, friends. So this is what I mentioned in the next note. I'm going to take a scalping trade. This time it hit the trend line and take support. I just mentioned that I'm going to take a scalping trade again in Nifty. Okay. So what I have mentioned in the next note here is presently market is trying to eat our premium with sideways market. Okay, so Nifty is going to a sideways market at 11:27 a.m. I mentioned 11:27 a.m. is somewhere around here, and I have just mentioned that this upon this area Nifty is trying to consolidate, and it is not giving good momentum. So it is not a good day for option buyers, because our premium will be taken. It will eat our premium because time decay will happen. Okay, so this is what I mentioned here. So it's not a good day for CE or put buyers, call or put buyers cannot gain out of the situation, but it is a good day for sellers. Then what I mentioned, there is no trade in market today. Let's see what is happening in the second half. So I'm just waiting for the second half to happen. This was updated at 11:29. Okay, at that time, market was not giving any 11:29. This is the time frame. The market was coming down. So I was expecting after this downfall, I was trying to wait until the second half of the day. But still, I already mentioned that if the line is touching this trend line again, I will go for a scalping trading. This is what I mentioned in before here. Okay, I'm going to take a scalping trade if the price hit the trend line again. So it took support and again I took a scalping trade in Nifty. So here at 11:41 a.m. I mentioned in Nifty there is a chance. What I mentioned here is if you find Nifty support on 19,070 or 19,050, take a call. Okay, take a call, and lot can be as per your budget. Be careful and see all the price action here. Keep monitoring. So let's go into Nifty. What is mentioned? Have anybody entered into zero hero trade? If yes, keep holding it until today day high in Nifty. So this is the Nifty chart. See here, this is the level I was talking about, 19,068, and I have taken a zero to hero trade at this particular area. Okay, and the market was going up, and I was expecting market to reach today's day high. See in Nifty, see this is the chart in Nifty. Nifty has given a very good momentum upwards. So what happened here is after this area, it actually tried to take a small reversal. I was updating my SL. So somewhere around here, my SL was hit, and I quit the trade because I was trailing my SL. It was giving three big red candles, and again it went up, and as I predicted, it broken the day high. But the thing is that I exited at this point, and there is no difference between waiting so long because there was huge red candles at different spots, and this was actually eating your premium. So whatever profit I gained here, I would have gained it at this particular line, the same price. Okay, because the premium will not raise it because of the time decay. So if I have got 40 points from here till here, okay, I will getting the same 40 or 45 points if price reach here, because there are a lot of dips happening in market, and it is not allowing to increase our premium. So it was good for me to exit my trade with the stop loss here. This is what happened for my zero to hero trade. Okay, this is actually a cheat line that I mentioned in Nifty. I was predicting that Nifty can go like this. See, after the huge fall, it will revert back. It will test the level of 18,250. Again, it will test the level of the support line. Again, it trying to go up. Again, it touched the line, and after this, it touched 18,250. At this particular point, I was waiting for a retracement, and it will break. It will definitely break because market is trying continuously. One, two, three times. This is the fourth time market is trying to break this particular line, which is 18,250. And I was expecting at least by the next time it will definitely cross this line. And once it is crossed, see from the day high to day low, I have done a Fibonacci level. And if it is crossed, this 0.38 level will be taken as a resistance, and from here it will go for a small dip, and after touching 18,250 it will raise upside. So this is what I predicted in Nifty. Let's see what will happen, what is happening in Nifty today after that. So what I have mentioned here is this is not an invitation for a trade. This is just one scenario where Nifty can go today. Okay, so we need to check the data every 15 minutes to confirm. This is just a prediction in scenario one. This is scenario one. Nifty can go in many scenarios. Maybe it can go down. So this is one scenario that I have marked in Nifty. This was marked at 12:20 p.m. So let's see in the chart what has happened. See, let's go to Nifty, and where was the line that I have drawn? See, this was the line I marked. See here. So there is a small adjustment I have made. Actually, this line was here, but I was expecting at least by the next level. I was expecting this to be broken in the next swing. But what happened is that at the same particular time, the moment I updated the screenshot, it broke that level and gone up. So this is what I mentioned here. See here, Nifty has gone upside. It broke 18,250 level. It came back, took a retracement, but it was not a proper retracement. It went back again. There is a candle. You can see this green candle touching this particular line, and after that, it continuously went upside. So this cheat code actually worked out for me. Okay, so this is one of the prediction that I have made in live market, and I already updated in Telegram group. What time? It was 12:20 p.m. So this is the next note I have mentioned. Nifty IT is taking rejection at day high. Okay, this is Nifty IT. So here Nifty IT open at this level, and at this particular point of time there is a rejection. You can see there is a red candle. After touching this line you can see a red candle. So this is what I mentioned here. Nifty IT is taking rejection at day high. Also Fin Nifty is on resistance level. If they break out, Nifty will raise again. Okay, so this is what happened here. So after I took a trade somewhere around here, the Nifty went upside, and here you can see a big three red candles. This is because Fin Nifty here it was taking a resistance. Also in IT sector, Nifty IT, it was taking a rejection from this support line. So you have to see multiple charts to understand where Nifty can move, where Nifty cannot. So here I can clearly see that in Nifty IT there is a resistance, high resistance here. Unless and until this line is broken, Nifty cannot go up. So this is exactly what happened here. See here at this level Nifty has fallen down, and after that it raised again. This level we can see three big red candles, and after that again I took a scalping trade here for put option, because seeing this rejection in Nifty IT and Fin Nifty, I thought there is a small chance for a scalping trading. So I took a trade in put side in this area, and I exited with good profit. And now it is time to book your profit. So I already mentioned that. See at this particular point, okay, this prediction level is successfully completed. It is almost reaching 18,324. So if you want to book your profit, you can book it. So this is what I mentioned in Telegram group. Now it is time to book your profit. Market can reach up till 18,400, but there is a resistance build up, because in IO chart I can still see there is resistance build up. So market can behave differently. Unexpected things can happen in market. So this is the reason why I told you, if you wanted to take risk and trail your SL, you can definitely go for trailing SL and wait for target 18,400. And it actually happened in market today. See, it went up still 18,000, touched this particular line 18,400 line, and reverted back. Okay, and this was updated almost at 2 p.m. At least we have achieved 25 points in Nifty. I have made a 25 points in Nifty from this trade. Approximately I took a trade from this particular line, okay, this line, and I made a profit up till this, and I took 25 points in Nifty. So today I guess 3 p.m. candle will close above 18,357 level. See, I mentioned it will cross 18,357, and it will close somewhere above 18,357. Let's see what has happened in Nifty. This is 18,385, which is above 18,357. It's exactly did what I have mentioned in the live chart. So this is the trading, so scalping trading I have taken today. So here the high profits that I have made is where 26 points. I have taken this call, okay, in Nifty 18,250 call option, and I have made 26 point. This is the highest profit I made today. And I of course made some loss, which is 538. It hit my stop loss actually. I made a total of 5,366.70 rupees today. The total actually in PL you can see 6,000, but after my brokerages, I got only 5,366 rupees on today's trading. So it was a very good day, and let's see what is going to happen tomorrow. And please wait and watch my video that I will update at least by 10 p.m. today. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please try to subscribe and press the bell button. And if you have any queries, put it in the comment box, and try to share this video to as many people as you can. And also if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, thank you. See you in next video.